Welcome back to another video. Today's video we're featuring Nickos again with his IS300, as you can see behind us. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing a cold air intake kit which is purchased off the internet, and if I'm not mistaken I think it's a HPS brand, which Nickos done a lot of research as he does, and he knows that it's a quality kit. So I'll just show you guys the kit right now. Guys, so as you can see, Nickos purchased a cold air intake kit, HPS Performance Products. What's that, numplate bracket? Not bad. Official unboxing. Looks good, eh?
Yeah, looks good.
Like a cone filter.
The HPS brand.
So what merch have we got in the box? Stickers, license plate covers, a bag. Thanks HPS. Sponsor us. Would have been cool to put this on there, but Murray car. What do you think we should put number plate on this car? Any ideas? Drop them down in the comments. Disgusting gloomy day in Sydney. Rain, we hate the rain here. Supra boy just rocks up in his daily. How you going, mine? We're installing cold air intake kit Nickos just purchased.
Does he know you were doing it? Oh, he's here. Oh, you were good.
No, I had
Yes guys, if you did notice in the start of the video, Nickos did buy the AZA front grille. He literally bought it last week and he installed it without me recording him, because he couldn't resist looking at it. He couldn't resist. And it's actually in pretty good condition too. No broken tabs on there. You can't really tell because they're underneath.
original backing plate as well.
Original backing plate.
It's new.
Super minty fresh. So now we're just going to take the top cover off the engine, unbolt this janky, nah it's not janky, it looks good, but Nickos doesn't like it.
Oh, it is janky, yeah.
And install our brand new cold air intake kit. So as previously mentioned in a recent video of the IS300, we went to Autobahn to go find silicone hose so we can make it just a pipe like that, and we couldn't find one. Nickos ended up going back the next week and he found something and made it fit, as you can see there, but he still doesn't like it. He wants that clean induction noise, which is still not getting, so he ordered this HPS brand off the internet, which is a bolt-on kit. Looks pretty nice, so we're going to install that today, guys. And as you can see, once the top cover's off, they forced it on, made it fit. Ghetto AF styles.
You want a coffee, Nicola?
was gone ahead and disconnected all the piping of the throttle body, the air filter box, and we have to remove this sensor here and relocate it on the new pipe, which is right over here. There you go, just like that. The kit here in the box, you've also got detailed instructions of how to install your air intake kit. Detailed instructions and photos exactly where everything goes, which is pretty neat. But we're not going to use any of this. We're just going to go ahead and install it. So here Nickos gone ahead and installed the pipe coming off the throttle body. Now, to install this thing is holding here, this bracket, which holds the filter in its sectioned off section here. You're going to have to install these two, what are they called? Like
Spacers.
Spacer brackets, whatever. So you're going to have to install one here. And the other one, put the spacer on top, and the other one right here, underneath, onto the chassis, and then it just sits like so. So that's how it's going to sit. So we'll get to installing that. Installing our mass airflow sensor, our MAF sensor, onto the aftermarket pipe. We're just going and using the original screws that just come off the old pipe, screwing them straight in there. And on the straight-in model, we don't have the evap control solenoid, so we're going to, which connects up to here, which the American models do and the non-VVTI models do.
Gonna block it off.
So we're going to block that off, and other than that, the install's gone pretty simple, not too bad. We've got this pipe coming off the rocker cover, going onto there, our mount bolted here, our bracket, and this one mounted there also. The short ram cold air intake kit is officially installed. As you can see here, Nico is just putting the last 4 bolts on top of the cover. What kind of cover is it? It's a fancy decoration cover. Lexus only cover.
Or Mr. Subaru. Head gasket. Mr. Head gasket.
Keeps calling me a head gasket.
Where's the 10mm?
Alright, so we're going to bolt them up and then we'll give the car a first start and see what it sounds like. First start, here we go. Ready to hear that juicy noise? Okay. Do you approve? Sound nice. Now let's go take it for a drive. How does it sound inside the car? Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. So you guys, that's the finished product. Looks pretty neat. So what we've got here is a block off for the hot air, and then it gets the cold air from the front of the car. And then we've also blocked off this because on the American models they've got something called an evap sensor, which is a sensor that screws onto the factory airbox, which Australian models don't have. So we just had to block that off, or else we'll be sucking air from this hole, and we just plugged it up with a screw on the end of that. We might make it neater in the future, but for now it will work. Nick wants to take it for a drive, so we've done that. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's the intake installed. Now to take it for a drive. She looks so pearly white at night time. Looks so good. Let's jump in the car and see what she sounds like. Guys, so let's hear it. Not bad, guys. Actually sounds pretty good, not gonna lie.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Just in Mexico, guys.
No more Mexico. It's sketchy to be in Mexico at the moment.
Just a little bit sketchy. You wouldn't take it sideways, nah.
Traction control.
Lexus things. Sounds awesome. And there she is, guys. Time to go to sleep. Officially just finished installing the intake ramp kit. Our final verdict is we love the way it looks. So guys, if you've got an IS300 and you're looking to install an air intake kit, be sure to look at HPS. They're awesome, fits perfect, and we love the way it sounds and looks also, guys. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.